Hello and welcome once again to my tutorial. I'm Richmond Botifer from TechEd Ghana, and today we are going to be working with the ChatGPT assistant. Yes, so Pictoblox and Python have been able to add an extension uh, from the GPT assistant. So we are going to be working around that area. And today we are going to be creating a GPT assistant. Right, so let's start right away. So first of all, we are going to import our plugin, or we are going to initialize our GPT assistant. So we have our GPT, and then we'll call the object or the module chat GPT. Yes, so that is chat GPT. I believe everything is alright. Why is it underlined? Chat GPT. Yeah, I think it's correct. And then we'll also be using text to speech because we would want our assistant to speak to us through voice whilst displaying the text. So with that one, we also import the text to speech. Yes, all right. So that's it. So in a basic chat system, you have a prompt or an input area where you type your query or what you want to ask, and then you send, and the assistant will now reply with the answer. So first of all, we are going to need a prompt, and that will be the sprite dot input. So what do we ask? Let's say, what would you like to ask? What would you like to ask? And then after we have entered our prompt, let's call our GPT, and then we are going to send our answer or whatever we typed to the assistant. So to do that, we are going to ask on GPT, and this will take one, the AI assistant, name of the, and then we are going to give it the prompt that we entered. Okay, prompt should be this way, so let's correct the spelling here also. Prompt. Okay, so we are passing this prompt to the GPT assistant, and then now we are going to put our answer, store our answer in this variable. So GPT chat GPT result, and then what we do lastly is we say, so our sprite dot say, and then we give it the result from chat GPT. So this will display the text and the sprite to be, and yeah, so we need to use our text to speech now. So we need to call it and then make it speak the answer that we got from the GPT assistant. So we pass in the answer like so. Very simple. Okay, so let's run our code and see what happens. waiting. Okay, so we are served with a prompt. What would you like to ask? That's the prompt. So whatever we enter here will be assigned to the GPT. So what do we even type? What is the meaning of GPT? Did I make a mistake? Okay, let's try. What is the meaning of GPT? Let's see if our assistant can enlighten us on that. Waiting.
GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer.
Okay.
It is a type of artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI.
Okay.
GPT models are trained on a large amount of text data from the internet and are designed to generate human-like text responses. Based on given prompts or questions, these models have been used for various natural language processing tasks, including lingua, GE translation, text completion, question answering, and more.
Okay. So that's a lot of information from our assistant. So we now know what GPT stands for: Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and is a type of AI model developed by OpenAI. So the ChatGPT is based on the GPT architecture designed by the same company, OpenAI. So they can be used for several use cases like customer support, writing reports, and a whole lot. So based on the training it has been given, using the internet, data from the internet, and then some pre-trained text, it is able to give us the answer that we want. So based on the query we give to it, it looks into the database, analyze what it has, and then gives us an appropriate answer. Okay, so that is the functionality we have been able to explore today: the GPT, ChatGPT assistant, together with the text-to-speech. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. See you another time. Bye.